In this video, we are going to show you how to install the Make.com custom app in Make.com for Sequence. To get started, go to the top menu and click on Docs. This will take you to the documentation screen. Under Integrations, you will see the Make.com integration. You need an API key to start using the integration. You can find the API key in the documentation. Please go through the documentation. We have covered almost all use cases there. Now, for the next part, click on this link. This link will take you to the installation page. Here, simply click on Install. You will then see an authorization pop up. Choose the account you want to authorize, and after selecting the account, click Continue. Now let's create a new scenario. Click here. Let me create a new flow. Search for ConnectSafely. As you can see, ConnectSafely appears here. And these are the actions you can perform inside this app. You can get pages, posts, post comments, create posts, and many other features. To use any feature, you must first create a connection. While creating the connection, you need to enter the API key that you will find in your application. Once you enter the API key, the connection will be established. For the next steps, you can refer to our documentation. Thank you.